Welcome to Juha's vlog.
Thank
Say
you.
good morning.
Good morning, Juha.
Good morning, Juha. Juha? Hi.
So we are going to Ambon Falls. We're gonna check out 3 waterfalls today. Maybe, if we have time. So this is the first one. It took like 2 hours to drive here from Tero's place. So we're just gonna check it out, what it's like. So we still have 2 waterfalls to go. It was 75 for the parking and the entrance fee, 75 pesos, so it's okay. So I guess every waterfall where you go, you have to pay some kind of an entrance fee or something. You can also stay here for the night if you want. But
So, how many times will be offered MP today? What do you think?
like 10 times at least. This you can rent for a small fee, so you have a place to sit and where you can bring your own food, so you can cook here and everything.
That's it?
I just have a more, but we need to swim. How do you get there? You can slide. Bolero Gum. I'm not fucking going there. We need to get somehow, we need to get over there. So we don't know what's going on here, because this is the only fall, I guess, but that's not a natural thing, that's a man-made thing, so it's not cool. We want to see the natural waterfalls, and that's not it. But the 2 other waterfalls, they're pretty close to this one, so like the other waterfall you have to pay 400 for the guide. You need a guide to go there, and then you need to change clothes somewhere there. They give you fucking clothes, because if you want to go there you will get wet. You need to swim or something so you can even get to the fucking waterfall, and cannot bring the fucking batteries and everything. I don't know. So at least I'm gonna skip it. They didn't say anything about it when we paid the entrance fee. They didn't say anything. And when I googled this place, I only checked the Google Maps and some pictures. I didn't like actually Google it. So I didn't have no fucking idea. Well, we're just gonna take a look around and move to the other waterfall at some point. It's only 10:30 a.m. So let's see. If I knew that before we came here, I will have my drive back and everything. But through.
So where are we going?
Oh, or yeah, if I knew before we come here, I will go there, but I will take all my dry bags and everything, swimming gear and everything. But now just I don't feel bad. Oh no 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 no. I didn't even eat the fucking crap. This is actually pretty deep in the jungle. I think there can be snakes and shit because I saw like a fucking big fucking big lizard. What is that? Some kind of, I don't know what was it. It wasn't a snake. It had 4 legs, but it was big. So I don't know where this trail is going, but let's take a look while others are swimming there. Okay, I don't think there's anything there. It just goes down because the waterfall is somewhere over there. So yeah, I'm not going there. A fucking big tree. God damn. Let's go back and prepare to go to the another waterfall just down the road. I think it's like 10-minute drive or something. Hopefully. Oh fuck, what the fuck? Spider. So let's check it out, and hopefully we don't have to swim, so we can get to the fucking waterfall, because we drove here. Yeah, we should go to this one, but I'm not that adventurous right now that I want to swim and leave all my fucking cameras and everything. If I knew that before we come here, I would take my own dry pack and everything, so I can take my cameras and shit. But now, no. Maybe next time we can come back here again. It's only 2-hour drive from Tero's place, so it's not that far. So yeah, let's check the one more, and then we have plenty of time to find something nice to see more. So I guess we need to climb down and back up, and that's the thing I hate the most. But yeah, let's go and see what it's like. Hopefully it's a good one. So hopefully it's a good one. This is just like a small village here up in a mountain. So go there. You can buy water here if you want, or even Emperador. Hello.
Just gate in the middle of nowhere.
What? There's one little one. We need to go this way because there's a here, just a bigger one. That is absolutely crazy. We need to go another 300 meters down. What the fuck? We're like halfway down the mountain already. What? This is... Why they didn't make the road? What? Why they didn't make the road that way? Because we are already kept down halfway at the mountain. What the hell? This is so wrong. This is so fucking wrong. Can you see? We climbed down already half the way the fucking mountain. This is not... Why? It doesn't make any sense. Why they didn't make the road from that road to the fucking waterfall? Then you don't need to climb down and up. They're already there. My fucking legs are shaking already. Yeah! I'm thinking about it. Oh. No, I'm actually asking this seriously. Why they didn't make the fucking road? Huh? The road from the town to the waterfall. They made the road up to the mountain and then you need to climb back down. And we are more than halfway down. So to me it doesn't make any sense, absolutely any sense. I cannot believe this. Why? Because I'm so out of shape. I cannot. I give it 90% chance that I will die when I'm gonna climb back up. I'm gonna get a fucking heart attack, I'm sure. I don't even have fucking water. Well, I have a little bit, but it's not enough. It's gonna take at least 1 hour to get up for me. I know that. Well, we are here, so alright, we made it. First we walked the wrong way. We went down there and we shouldn't go there. That's not the correct way. So climb back up, climb back down the other way, and then we found this one. It is actually very nice, but the water, I think, the water here, it's been there like, I don't know for how long. It looks fucking disgusting. It doesn't change. Because, I don't know, maybe the water level is not too high enough. But the waterfall looks So yeah, we spent like 10 minutes here taking a couple pictures. You cannot swim there, the water is so fucking dirty. So, and it's thunder, we can hear the thunder, it's gonna rain soon, so if it starts to rain when we are down here, that's gonna be something, I don't know. So, we're gonna start climbing back up. Time is now 2:20 p.m. so I'm lucky if I'm back up around 4. Let's see. Yeah, we will find something else to do also today, but I don't know what. I'm gonna put the camera back in my backpack so it's easier for me to climb and drink water. So yeah. It took like a fucking 45 minutes for me to get up there, so now we are heading away from this place. No idea what's gonna happen next, other than that it's gonna take at least 2 hours to drive back to Tero's place, so yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen after that one. We'll figure it out. So